Hello everyone. So I'm coming here with a quick box opening. This is from Be Grateful. I am unboxing. I ordered some rhinestones and I wanted to open them with y'all. Oh, these are pretty. Pretty. Hot flex. This is fuchsia hot pink. Okay, so these are the gold. Back up. See these? These are the, oh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. These would look good on a white shirt, not a dark shirt. Those are gorgeous. Then we have these. These are the gold ones. Gorgeous. Okay. Here we go. These are gorgeous. There we go. See how gorgeous these are? Oh my god. And then these are the SS10s. Gorgeous. Gorgeous! I can't wait. These are the gold ones. I don't know if you saw them. These are the gold ones. I showed you these. And then I showed you these. Okay. Bye-bye.